Hello mga ma'ams! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to guide you on the step-by-step process on how to make your Canon Ip2770 working. Working? Oo, tama kayo dyan. I know that halos bawat school ay may ganitong unit ng printer. Tama? Ang kadalasan kasi, ang ganitong unit ng printer is already converted. Kaya, ang cartridge na ito ay napakadaling masira after 1 to 3 reams of printed documents. So, do not worry mga ma'ams. Ang video na ito ay akin lamang na diskubre, kaya share ko na lang din ito sa inyo. For your information, ang black na color sa printer ko ay hindi na gumagana. Subukan nga natin for credibility test. So, magpiprint po tayo ngayon. Yung font color ay black. Let's see, atin na susubukan kung gumagana ba talaga ang black color ng printer ko. So, ayan na po ang document na iti-test natin, ipiprint test natin to really check if my color black is that really working. So, print. Okay. Choose Canon. Okay. At print. So as you can see, hindi nagmamarka ang words in black. Yan. So, ang gagawin po natin ngayon ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-work ang black. So, lagay po natin siya ulit at tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-work ang black color. Okay, so Control P, ito na po yung guide, yung step, paano mag-work ang color black nyo. So, black yung font color. Control P. Go to Printer Properties. Okay. Then go to Maintenance tab. Piliin nyo po itong Ink Cartridge Settings. Ayan. So, by default, yung ink cartridge, by default, is both black and color. So, since color black is not working, we have to choose color only. And then, once color only is already selected, press or click OK. And then, OK din dito. At click print. Okay? May message na mag-pop up bago siya mag-print. So, only the following ink cartridge will be used for printing color. The print quality may deteriorate. So, this message means that it is not really or completely color black, pero napakalapit lang siya sa color nga black. So, you will just have to press or click OK. And let's see the result. Yan. So, same document po ang piniprint natin. Ayan. So, let's see if this will work. Oh! So, it's really working. Ba? So, if we are going to compare this one to the first document that we printed, so, as we can see, is really working. No? So, tingnan natin. Ayan. Diba? So, hindi siya completely black, but it has a shade of black. Diba? Klarong-klaro. And then, let's go back here. As you can see, I did not change the font color of the text. I just keep it black. All you need to do is you will just have to go to the maintenance as what I did earlier, and everything is good to go. So I hope this video will help you in your third quarter printing. So see you, and please subscribe on my YouTube channel for more educational videos. Goodbye!